Are you making these money mistakes in your 20s or 30s? If yes, you could be losing lakhs or even crores without realizing it. Today I'll share 7 mistakes young investors make and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1. Overspending. Parties, gadgets, eating out. It feels good now, but lifestyle inflation kills savings. If your income grows but your expenses grow faster, you'll never build wealth. Mistake 2. Ignoring SIPs or investments. Many think, I'll start investing later. But the earlier you start, the bigger your wealth. Compounding works best with time, not money. Mistake 3. Running after quick profits. Penny stocks, crypto hype, get-rich-quick schemes. These often lead to losses. Focus on consistent, long-term growth instead. Mistake 4. Not having insurance. One medical emergency can wipe out all your savings. Health and term insurance are not expenses. They're protection. Mistake 5. Falling into bad debt. Credit cards, EMIs for luxuries, high-interest loans. They trap you in stress. If you use debt, use it for assets, not liabilities. Mistake 6. Putting all your money in one place. All stocks, all crypto, or only gold is risky. Diversify into multiple assets for stability. Mistake 7. Emotional investing. Buying at peaks out of FOMO, that is, fear of missing out. Selling at lows out of fear. Wealth is built with patience, not panic. So, if you avoid these 7 mistakes, overspending, delaying SIPs, chasing quick profits, ignoring insurance, bad debt, no diversification, and emotional trading, you'll be far ahead in your financial journey. Your 20s and 30s are the foundation of wealth. Start today, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more finance and AI insights, and share this with a friend who needs it. By SN. Which of these 7 mistakes are you guilty of? Comment it below.